Hey everyone, it is Chris, and today, you hear that beep? Do you hear that beep that you see on TV whenever someone cusses or swears? Let's be realistic, we all swear here, so I'm going to show you how to make that beep with free tools. Okay, whether you cuss or swear a lot, like I do sometimes, I worked on a trading desk for several years, to every once in a while you just let something slip. As we do more YouTube videos, we know that we need to kind of clean things up to make it sure it is advertiser friendly for those of us who are monetized. So today I want to show you how to create that censorious beep that they have. Like, that whenever someone's talking, you get the beep. This is how we're going to go ahead and do it. So first of all, if you don't have it already, there's free software we're going to use, and that software is Audacity, which I've opened here. It is now open source. I'll try and leave a link below to where you can download it. This is a tool that a lot of creators use, and it's actually just a really simple editing tool. You can use it to remove background noise. You can do it to add a little bass to your voice. You can add it to reverb. It's a great little tool if you want to do podcasting, but even here we can use it to create that beep we want to use when we say something like or so we can beep it out in our video. So it's really quite simple. We're going to go up to generate, and we're going to generate a tone. Right, and the frequency is 1000 or 1001, and all we gotta do is, there it is. I mean, literally, that's it. You can do it for as long or short as you want. I figure, if you can export the audio as, let's say, censor beep. I'm going to do that down to downloads, save, and if we do new Finder window and downloads, and here is our censor beep. It's all 30 seconds, and you can do it for as little or as long as you want. So let's take a listen here. Right, so and in fact, you can generate additional tones, right? You can generate tones at higher waves if you want. So if you want to do 1200, and we'll mute that and we'll play it a little bit higher. But that's all you need to do to kind of generate that censor tone. You don't need to go buy one. You don't need to go and try and find one in the effects library. It's that simple. In this case here, you can go ahead and when you slip up and you cuss on your video, you can go ahead and use this censor tone. So hope you like this video. Hope you got a lot out of it. I know I was looking for this for a while, which is why I decided to make a video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks again.